Alrighty, so today we're going to talk about metric capacity. And we're also going to talk about metric weight as well. But let's first look at metric capacity. With metric capacity, you have two units. You have liters and you have milliliters. There are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So a dropper can be used to measure milliliters. So think about an eyedropper, okay? So an eyedropper, 1 drop is equal to 1 milliliter. Sodas come in 2-liter bottles. So half of a soda bottle is 1 liter. When you go from liters to milliliters, you're going to multiply by 1,000. So for example, if you have 5 liters, that would be 5 times 1,000, which would equal 5,000 milliliters. When you go from milliliters to liters, you divide by 1,000. So for example, if you have 96,000 milliliters, you're going to divide that by 1,000 and you would get 96 liters. All right, let's look at some practice basic conversions, all right? So again, let's review what we have. So let's put up here, we know that there are 1,000 milliliters equal to 1 liter, okay? So for number 1, how many liters are in 5,000 milliliters? Well, if there's 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter, 5,000 milliliters would be 5 liters, okay? Number 2, how many milliliters are in 9 liters? Again, you would multiply by 1,000, so that would be 9 times 1,000, which would be 9,000 milliliters, okay? Number 3, how many liters are in 20,000 milliliters? Well, since I'm going from a larger unit to a smaller unit, I'm going to divide. So I'm going to divide 20,000 milliliters by 1,000. So for number 3, that would be 20 liters. All right, going on to number 4, how many milliliters are in 11 liters? You're going from a small unit to a larger unit, so you're gonna multiply 1,000 times 11, which would be 11, oops, not 10, that would be 11,000 milliliters. And then finally, number 5, how many milliliters are in 23 liters? Again, I would multiply 23 times 1,000, which would be 23,000 milliliters. Okay, all right, let's go on to the next part. Alrighty, going on to the next one. It says a water barrel. All right, so how much water would a water barrel hold? All right, so let's do some elimination. All right, now barrel is like a big, giant container. Okay, it's really, really big. All right, so it's nothing that you're going to be able to pick up and take a drink out of like a cup. All right, so we know that that would not be 200 milliliters because that would be 200 drops. All right. 200 liters maybe, so I'm going to put a question mark. That's my question mark. 3 liters probably not going to be enough because that's only going to be 3,000 drops. And then 5 milliliters, definitely not. So the best answer for number 1 is going to be B. All right, let's go on to the next one. All right, let's think about water in your bathroom sink. All right, when you have water in your bathroom sink, is that going to be 2 liters? Maybe. It's not going to be 10 milliliters, of course, since that's 10 drops. I probably would say it wouldn't even be 500 milliliters. And I would say that 7.5 liters would probably be too much. So I would probably go with letter A, 2 liters. All right, and the next one, water in the swimming pool. All right, ooh, I can't wait to go swimming. Would it be 800 drops, 800 milliliters? Probably not. Would it be 800 liters? Maybe. Would it be 12,000 milliliters? No. Or 12,000 liters? I would say that the best answer would probably be 12,000 liters. All right. Now let's look at some word problems. All right, Mr. Perkins changed the oil in his car. He bought 6 liters of oil. He put 4,500 milliliters in his car. How many milliliters of oil did he have left? All right, so let's look at it. We know that 6 liters is the same thing as 6,000 milliliters. And if he put 4,500 in his car, we want to know how much he had left. We're going to subtract that. So that would be 0, 0. If I have 0, I cannot take 5 away. So this 6 is going to become a 5. We're going to take 1,000. And this 0 is going to become a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. And then 5 minus 4 is 1. So he would have 1,500 milliliters left. Okay. All right, next one. Mr. Franklin filled a bucket with water to clean his floor. Does his bucket probably hold 9 liters or 9 milliliters of water? So if he's trying to clean that floor, it's definitely not going to be 9 milliliters because we know that 9 milliliters would be 9 drops. So the best answer would be 9 liters. All right, let's move on. I think we pretty much got this. Let's go ahead and move on to metric weight. All right, metric weight. The mass of an object refers to the weight of the object. The weight refers to how heavy the object is. Now, here are your units and what you need to remember. A kilogram is about 1,000 grams. 1 kilogram is about the weight of a cantaloupe, okay? 1 gram is about 1,000 milligrams, and 1 gram is about the weight of a grape. Okay, so think about, we're just really going to kind of focus on grams and kilograms. So again, there's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. 1 gram is like 1 grape, and 1 kilogram is like 1 cantaloupe. Okay, so let's look at these right here. It says, which is larger? All right, so if you have 1 kilogram or 1,500 grams, so let's remember that 1,000 grams equal to 1 kilogram. So right here, this would be 1 kilogram, but an extra 500 grams. So the letter A, which one would be larger? The answer would be 1,500 grams, because this would just be 1,000 grams. Okay. For let's look at letter B. You have 12,000 milligrams or 1 gram. Again, we know there are 1,000 milligrams and 1 gram. So 1 gram would be 1,000 milligrams. So 1,200 milligrams is going to be more than just 1 gram. All right, let's go to letter C. Letter C, you have 12,000 milligrams or 12 kilograms. Well, we know that there are 1,000 milligrams in just 1 gram. And we know that there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So we automatically know that 12 kilograms is going to be larger. All right, moving on to letter D. You have 4 kilograms and 4,500 grams. 4 kilograms is the same thing as 4,000 grams. So which one would be larger? That is correct, 4,500 grams. Okay. All right, let's move on. Let's look at this one. All right, so for this one, number 1, we're basically trying to see which one is larger. So greater than, less than, or equal to. All right, so for the first one, you have 6,123 grams and 7,000 kilograms. Well, let's change the kilograms to grams. In 7 kilograms, that's going to be 7,000 grams. So which one would be bigger? 7 kilograms. All right. For number 2, you have 1,002 grams is greater than, less than, or equal to 1 kilogram. Let's change this kilogram again to grams. So that would be 1,000 grams. So which one would be larger? That is right, 1,002 grams. All right. And then let's move on to the very last one. This one right here says number 3, you have 9,539 grams and 10 kilograms. Well, I'm going to change my kilograms into grams. So that would be 10,000 grams. So which one would be larger? 10 kilograms. And then last one, you have 7,000 grams and 7 kilograms. I'm going to change my kilograms to grams again. So that's 7,000 grams, which will mean that these two are equal. All right, go ahead and complete your assignments, and I will see you tomorrow.